This is Roger Struckoff with Syscon TV at Cloud Expo East in New York in 2016, day 2, and we're talking right now with Mukund Deshpande from Accelerite.
Hello everyone.
Thanks for joining us, and let's talk about analytics. What are you up to? What's your company do in the field of analytics? Why don't you tell our audience?
Sure. So we work in the area of big data analytics, and big data analytics is actually a very, very crowded space. So they have a bunch of technologies over there. You have ETL, you have Hadoop, you have warehousing, you have visualization, and there's a lot of effort spent in trying to get these tools to talk to each other. So what we have is a platform which combines or unifies all of these into one. So you really don't need to set up Hadoop, you don't need to set up your warehouse, you don't need to set up your visualization. You work on top of our platform, describe what you want to do, and we'll do the rest for you. So sort of like a unification across all these tools. That's what Share Insights is.
So if I'm a customer, I get a sort of a control panel to do all that?
Yes. So what you do is you get a control panel where you can tell the system what you want to do, also monitor how things are going, and keep track of things as well. So you don't have to set things up, you just need to know our system and we'll take care of the rest. And what's other advantage over here is that today you may start off small. You may say, oh, I have only small amount of data, so I don't really need Hadoop. Fair enough. So you'd start with a small SQL server. But as you move and as data volume increases, your analytics definitions don't need to change. The same, so if you move to Hadoop, we'll generate Hadoop code for you. If you move to something else, we'll generate that code for you. So we give you this scale of future proofing, as we call it. You may start small on a different technology, but as you move across, technology changes, we'll generate that code for you.
So who are the operators, your users? Are these people who would normally be working with Hadoop and are relieved not to? Or, and beneath that, I'm just trying to think of the technical level of the people.
Yes, that's actually a very good point. So most of our customers are customers who understand what they want to do very well, but don't know how to do it on Hadoop or how to do it on SQL Server. So that's why they would come to us and they would say that, okay, we know what we have to do, we know exactly, but I don't understand how to set up a Hadoop cluster, how to manage it. So why don't you do that to us and give us a easy enough platform where we can tell you what to do. And the platform includes all the way from data processing, storage, visualization, so they don't have to go across tools either. Just one tool and that's about it.
And what sort of enterprises are you working with right now? I was going to say, what is ideal, but what are you working with right now?
Correct. So we work with two groups of people. So most of our customers are in two groups. One is in the healthcare sector. So in healthcare sector also there's a lot of data challenges, a lot of analytics challenges coming in over there. And people, technically they may not be as savvy also. So that's one place where we're getting a lot of traction. And the other one is in media sector. So in these two sectors we are seeing, but the tool is pretty horizontal, so it can work across any domain. But in these two domains we are seeing most of the customers are today.
So they can come there with something small and then grow. And again, what's going on underneath the surface, that's your problem.
That's what. So what we tell them is that you just tell them what, leave the how to us. Because that's really where we specialize in, and just make sure that you're and we will ensure that if tomorrow something better comes in, you will be the first one to take advantage of it. You don't have to rewrite your tool, you don't have to rewrite your analytics, nothing. We'll do all the hard work for you.
And do you often specify what the software would be as well? Like maybe don't know they need Hadoop, for example.
Correct. So in some cases we do also help them with that. So we tell them that, okay, what you're doing over here, you need Hadoop or you don't really need Hadoop. You can say, okay, maybe your SQL Server or something just very small could also do the job. So and that we help them and coach them as well. In some cases they already have something in build which they have already bought and they are forced to use that. So in that case we'll work with that technology as well.
How do people find you? What's your URL?
So it's shareinsights.com. So the tool's name is Share Insights and it's shareinsights.com.
That's a nice name you got there, shareinsights.com. You heard it here. Thanks a lot for joining us. Thanks for watching. For Syscon TV, this is Roger Struckoff.